Your vehicle features a TDS passenger door. In this video, we'll show you how to properly operate that door. When you approach the vehicle, you can determine whether or not the door is locked by gently pushing on the left-hand side. If the door doesn't begin to open, then it's locked. To unlock the door, start by revealing the keyhole by rotating the plastic lock cover. When the red keyhole is vertical, it means the handle won't move, like this. It's time to unlock the door, and this is what your key looks like. In order to make the handle operational, you need to insert the key and turn it clockwise 90 degrees. You should always remove the key at this stage. If you've got a full set of vehicle keys hanging from the handle, it can put unwanted strain on the locking mechanism and may cause damage over time. Now all you need to do is turn the handle clockwise 90 degrees to unlock the door. At this stage you should reinsert the key and turn anti-clockwise 90 degrees. This will prevent anyone from locking the door while the vehicle's in operation. Remember, when the keyhole's in the vertical position, the handle won't operate. Always remember to recover the keyhole with the plastic cover. This helps to prolong the life of the door lock. You can now gently push the door open to gain access to the vehicle. Once you've entered the vehicle, remember to manually close the door behind you. You can do this by using the black handle shown here. Once you've manually closed the door behind you and turned the ignition on, you're now able to use the door electrically. The door is controlled by an open-close button situated in the upper left-hand position on the driver's key panel. On the exterior of your vehicle you will find an emergency door open button. This is only to be used in an emergency and will only work when the ignition is on. Simply pressing the button will not open the door. This is to prevent accidental operation. Instead, the button has to be pressed and held for around 3 seconds and then the door will open. Remember, this button only works when the ignition is on, so this is not the way you enter the vehicle in the morning. When it comes to locking the door, it's the same basic process. First, rotate the protective cover to reveal the keyhole. Insert the key and turn clockwise 90 degrees. Don't forget to take the key out when you're done. To lock the door, simply turn the handle counterclockwise 90 degrees. Reinsert the key and turn counterclockwise 90 degrees. Remember to recover the keyhole with the protective cover. Now your door is safely locked and the handle won't operate. You can check the door's locked by gently pushing on the left-hand side. If the door doesn't open, then you're good to go.